Here. Let's do something for the camera. Come on. Come. You don't want to get up? Huh? You want to do nothing for the camera? Okay. Okay. Come here. Look at me. What's going on, pimp? I'm not going nowhere. And he got a big old head. See, all pit bulls are not evil. Not at all. He's a big baby. He's 7 months now. He's 7 months and he's big and muscle. Straight muscle now. I'm not surprised he is though. You live out in the country, so he has a huge yard. I felt it'd probably be better for him to have a huge yard as opposed to Blue. Blue, give me kisses. Give me kisses. Come here. You gotta sit up for that. Give me kisses. Get your big ass head. Blue. Blue. Nah, he's still stubborn. I'll say that. What you doing? You miss me? You happy? You happy? Oh, you're not breaking out as bad. Okay. Okay. That's good. I want to loosen your collar. Hey. Hi. Okay. Oh, you want to play? Huh? Is that it? Hey, you too damn big. I gotta stand up to be ready for you. I missed you too. I love you. Okay. Come here. Blue? Blue. Hey. Good baby. Down. 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 You know. All right. I know they're still telling you that. Or they tell you lay or something. No. It's down. Down. Up. Come here. Big man. Down. Give me, hold on. Give me a paw. We still giving paws? Yeah. Yeah. Look how he sits. He sits terribly. He sits like this. Come here. Up. Give me a paw. I want to shake that hand. How you doing, mister? How you doing? How you doing? Oh, yes. You want your collar? I'm trying to loosen it so you can breathe, baby. Your neck got all thick. Sit. Good baby. You kicking me? Huh? What you doing? I ain't afraid of you. Huh? I thought we were kicking again. There we go. Yeah. Back to what we were doing. Hi. So yeah, I'm really just recording our time together because it's more than just a YouTube video for me, okay? When he's not around, I'm going to be watching this video. But I will. I promise I will. I promise you I will. Why are you kicking me? What's with the back leg? Oh, forget you too. Forget you too. See, and he's a very quiet dog. He really is, unless, you know, he's alarmed. I'm actually hot. Let me change. I'm going to put this on because I thought I was going outside. Stay over there in front of the camera, baby. Besides, I don't want you wandering around here. Alright, I'm better now. This is actually what I had on before. Hi. Woo, okay. I'm still the same mama. I'm still the same person. You ain't gotta do another evaluation. Hi. Yeah. Do you see him? He's a big baby. He's a big baby. All he does is lay on me. Lay on me and protect me. If any guys come near me, it's like, hi. It's just me.